started in 2015 from the streets of Triplicane. 100 square feet warehouse. Below the table down the literally the space that we had to start. அப்படி ஆரம்பிச்சதுதான். வீட்டில் இருக்க மாமிஸ் மாமாஸ் எல்லாரையும் சேர்த்து வச்சு தான். That's how we started. Newspaper pamphlets, that's all we knew. So the vision was always very big, which was can we take the taste and the tales of South India to the globe? A lot of our South Indian delicacies have not traveled across the globe. A baklava is traveling, but kunafa is traveling, but our own delicacies have never traveled. நம்ம ஊர் அதிரசம் வந்து in no way is lesser than any of the global delicacies that we see here. So the intention was very noble, but as first generation entrepreneurs never knew how to straddle this whole complicated ecosystem. விழுந்து விழுந்து தான் கற்றுண்டோம். ஒரு 8 வருஷத்தில் 8 வாட்டி ஷட் டவுன் ஆயிருக்கும் கம்பெனி. That's how we actually grew it. But I think sir, you asked to speak about your learnings, your struggles. எந்த பேங்க்கும் காசு கொடுக்கல. We were only online. Like we saw around we were inspired by our Janaki Party recipes, our grandmother's recipes. And we grew up listening to her stories. We grew up listening to making the bhakshanams along with her. That was how it was ideated by my husband. I am only enjoying the benefit of his ideation. We were college mates, and appathilande he said, can we do sweet karam coffee? That's how it started. So I am a partner in his crime, and he's the backbone of where we are today. So I owe it to Anand, my husband, for the entire success of the brand. So started like this, and I think one big learning behind all the struggles is if your purpose is true, you want to be giving very genuine products to your customers, like evlo mudiyumo homemade as it can get, if you can give it to your customers. And when the purpose is there and your perseverance is there, someday your dream will come true. That's been our learning throughout, sir. So just wanted to share that. Take up one idea, and if you keep on nailing it, the universe, God, energy, whatever you may call, has no other choice but to to give you back. So that's been our lesson.
Very good, very powerful. Inspiring.
The input I had here was about how this forum may help X number of people. Like I think she also has a background at Peak 15. Last year, I was one of the 16 women entrepreneurs who made it to Peak 15 Spark program. Up until then, I was doctor first, but I was also taking care of a few things. And there were a moment where in the Mari forums, entrepreneurship is normal, it is acceptable, and it is something that you should have unabashedly. And there were a recognition, I felt, ma'am, if you say, what will make more people talk about it? I think that spark of saying like, okay, you now have a different identity and you're now free to dream. And here are the resources that you can have to dream. I think she must have felt the same way after your round.
And amazing to see the way how you have, from a practicing doctor to move towards product development, now chosen on the recognizable brand of achieve or 200 people management is not R&D. You have no background of R&D, correct? So all these things, the science and the kind of biological part of how the human body works and skin and all. But making a product suitable to that, understanding the product kind of this thing, chemistry, something amazing on that kind of thing. So that happens only when there is a passion, when there is a readiness to change. I can learn anything. What you said, I can learn anything. I'm now confident. That's very important.
No, just to answer what you just asked, I think the same principle as what you said, right? I think today the world is much more evolved. There is a lot of help. Nariya help irukku. I didn't know ABC of a fundraise or ABC of running a business till almost about 8 years. While I was connected as a foodie, I was in a corporate world for 8 years. I was in an edutech firm, I was in a banking firm, and then the vision was always there. But coming from a very humble background, we did not have the luxury or the privilege to even dream of of entrepreneurship. as ma'am had put it. So it was a dream come true. But I think in today's world, as sir said, the change has to come from inside. And if you are ready for the change, there is enough help and resources today available. விழுந்து கற்றுக்கலாம், நிறைய கற்றுக்கலாம். But there is no other way. You have to get hurt, you have to bleed. நிறைய blood வரணும், only then you will grow. But I think today we are in a great world where everything is available. You just have to ask for help.
அப்பப்போ blood வரணும், அப்பப்போ transfusion போட்டுக்கணும்.
அப்படியே பேண்டேட் போட்டுக்கணும்.